3, 2, 1.
Who was Tetris created by? The answer is A. Alexei Pajitnov. Who created the pump FLUDD Mario uses in Super Mario Sunshine? The answer is B. Elvin Gadd. How many Harry Potter books are there?
The answer is B. 7.
In Star Trek, what is the name of Spock's father? The answer is C. Sarek. Which of Michael Jackson's albums sold the most copies? The answer is C. Thriller. Which desert is the only desert in the world where the saguaro cactus grows indigenously? The answer is D. The Sonoran Desert. Where was the sniper character in Team Fortress 2 born? The answer is B. New Zealand. Which of these is the name for the failed key escrow device introduced by the National Security Agency in 1993? The answer is B. Clipper chip. What city has the busiest airport in the world? The answer is B. Atlanta, Georgia, USA. The games Cry of Fear, Natural Selection, and Counter-Strike were originally mods for what video game? The answer is A. Half-Life. Who wrote Harry Potter? The answer is A. J.K. Rowling. What are the tallest twin buildings in the world, with a height of 1,483 ft 451.9 m? The answer is C. Petronas Twin Towers, Malaysia. What is largely considered the precursor to the USB format? The answer is C. PS/2. Which U.S. state was the first to allow women to vote in 1869? The answer is C. Wyoming. The cake depicted in Valve's Portal franchise most closely resembles which real-world type of cake? The answer is B. Black Forest. Who was the first man to travel into outer space twice? The answer is C. Gus Grissom. What is the name of the protagonist's first persona in Persona 5? The answer is A. Arsene. Which of these is not a Fallout protagonist? The answer is D. Tunnel Snake. Excluding their instructor, how many members of Class Roman 7 are there in the game Legend of Heroes, Trails of Cold Steel? The answer is B. 9. The human heart has how many chambers? The answer is A. 4. What is the name of the comic about a young boy and a tiger who is actually a stuffed animal? The answer is B. Calvin and Hobbes. Which of the following is not one of the main characters in Grand Theft Auto V's story mode? The answer is B. Tommy Vercetti. 7-Eleven stores were temporarily converted into quick E-marts to promote the release of what movie? The answer is C. The Simpsons movie. Nephlokakija is the practice of doing what? The answer is B. Finding shapes in clouds. Which of these is not a terrorist faction in Counter-Strike 2000? The answer is B. Midwest Militia. Better known by his nickname Logan, what is Wolverine's birth name? The answer is A. James Howlett. Which company developed the HoloLens?
The answer is D. Microsoft.
What is the name of Manchester United's home stadium? The answer is D. Old Trafford. What is the name of NASA's most famous space telescope? The answer is B. Hubble Space Telescope. In the Call of Duty Zombies map Origins, how many steps are there to upgrade a staff? The answer is C. 4. This field is sometimes known as the dismal science. The answer is C. Economics. What color is the circle on the Japanese flag? The answer is A. Red. Which of these stages is not playable in Super Smash Bros. For Wii U? The answer is D. Fountain of Dreams. Which of these is a semiconductor amplifying device? The answer is D. Transistor. What is the homeworld of the elites from Halo? The answer is A. Sanghelios. What was Humphrey Bogart's middle name? The answer is D. DeForest. Out of these four buildings, which one is the tallest, with a height of 1,483 ft 451.9 m? The answer is A. Petronas Twin Towers, Malaysia. Moore's law originally stated that the number of transistors on a microprocessor chip would double every. The answer is B. Year. How many degrees make a full circle? The answer is B. 360. What are the smallest blood vessels in the human body? The answer is A. Capillaries. What were Marcel Duchamp's ready-mades? The answer is A. Utilitarian objects elevated to the status of art. Who is the founder of the Lego Group? The answer is B. Ole Kirk Christiansen. What is the first book of the Old Testament? The answer is C. Genesis. Paul Gauguin moved to which country in 1895? The answer is B. Tahiti. What was the name commonly given to the ancient trade routes that connected the east and west of Eurasia? The answer is D. Silk Road. The eccentric natural philosopher Tycho Brahe kept what as a pet? The answer is A. Moose. What is the official national language of Pakistan? The answer is A. Urdu. Which song in rapper Kanye West's album The Life of Pablo features Rihanna? The answer is C. Famous. What year was JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, Phantom Blood first released? The answer is B. 1987. This mobile OS held the largest market share in 2012.